Using Preload in FastAttach. This video instruction on how to use the preload function in the FastAttach software to access and use preloaded patient data for your submissions. To begin, from the main screen of FastAttach, go to the New Search button located on the left-hand side. Clicking New Search will take you to the Patient Search screen. To look for a preloaded patient, make sure you are on the Preload Lookup tab. Once you are on the Preload Lookup tab, you will be able to search by first name, last name, date of birth in a 2-digit, 2-digit, 4-digit format, the medical record number, the customer reference number, a visit number, or the user-defined field as defined for preloaded information. To begin your search, just enter in one of the pieces of criteria or more and click Search. This will return any matching results in the preloaded patient data. To access your patient's data, highlight the patient and either click Next or double-click on the patient. This will take you to the Preload Confirmation screen. The Preload Confirmation screen shows you the data that was uploaded in the preload file for this patient. The Confirmation screen allows you to verify your patient's data prior to it becoming an entry in the FastAttach software. You will need to verify the patient's first name, last name, date of birth, medical record number, and all metadata entered. If any information is missing, such as recipient name, member ID, member first name, last name, relationship, etc., you will need to enter in these fields. You may do so by simply highlighting the field and entering in your information as necessary. If you choose a relationship as self, you will not need to enter in a member first and last name, as this will be auto-filled from the patient first and last name. You will be able to verify your dates of service from and through, and if necessary, select a different provider than the one included in the preload upload file. You will simply choose the radio button next to select provider and drop the menu down to choose the appropriate entry. Then verify the rest of the remaining fields, such as provider name, tax ID, NPI, case number, reference control number, and customer reference number. After you've verified all of the information, you will need to hit Next. If you have missed any information, you will be able to hit Next and a window will pop up notifying you. Please note that all information on the confirmation screen may be included in the upload file to avoid additional entry and verification on this screen. Once you click Next, this will take you to the data entry screen. You can verify the information for your patient on the left-hand side, and then proceed with accessing and acquiring your documentation to send. You may use any of the many acquisition methods to acquire your documentation, such as using the File Import option, where you will click File Import, navigate your computer to where your documentation is located, and then highlight and open the documentation. Highlighting and opening the documentation will return you to the FastAttach software. Once back inside of the FastAttach software, you will be on the Edit Document screen. From the Edit Document screen, choose the appropriate document type from the left-hand side, and if necessary, include a documentation note. Click Next to return to the data entry screen, and once verifying all of your information is correct, click Save in the upper left-hand corner. This will return you to the main screen. From the main screen, you will see a status of processing. Click the Refresh button located on the right-hand side to change the status to Ready to Send. At this point, you may click the Send button located in the center of the screen to send your documentation to MEA's repository. You will receive a submission report notifying you that your documentation has now been sent. This concludes this instructional video. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to watch any of our other instructional videos available to you, and thank you for using FastAttach.